Choosing the right budget 3D printers ensures that a child's first steps into manufacturing are defined by curiosity and success rather than mechanical complexity. In this episode, I will show you the best budget 3D printers for kids.
Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
On number 1, we have Geeetech M1 3D printer. The Geeetech M1 3D printer stands out in market as a high-speed powerhouse specifically tailored for beginners who are eager to see results quickly. This compact machine boasts an impressive printing speed of up to 250 mm/s, which is significantly faster than many traditional entry-level models, ensuring that young users remain engaged throughout the creative process. Safety is at the forefront of its design, featuring a vertical nozzle arrangement and a partially enclosed build chamber that helps keep small hands away from heated components. The M1 utilizes a 16-point full auto leveling system, which completely removes the need for manual bed adjustments and ensures a perfect first layer every time. With its 2.4-inch LCD color screen and simple knob-based navigation, children can easily manage their projects, while the included high-brightness internal lighting provides a clear view of the printing progress. On number 2, we have Weedo Entina 2S 3D printer. For families looking for a smart and connected printing experience, the Weedo Entina 2S is a top-tier choice that brings modern convenience to a miniature frame. Fully assembled 3D printer with true plug-and-play design, no tools, no setup experience required. This makes it an ideal first 3D printer for kids, students, and absolute beginners. Simply power it on and start printing right away. The Mini 3D printer features a built-in proximity sensor that automatically calibrates the print bed, eliminating the need for manual leveling. A flexible removable build plate allows effortless model removal. Just gently bend the plate and the print pops off, no scraper needed. Equipped with a dual Z-axis structure, this FDM 3D printer delivers consistent 0.1 mm printing precision, ensuring stable, high-quality results for learning, educational projects, and creative designs. For added convenience, the included TF card comes preloaded with test models, so the printer is ready to use immediately after inserting the card. Perfect for a smooth and frustration-free first printing experience. On number 3, we have Entina 2 Basic Pro 3D printer. The Entina 2 Basic Pro is a reliable workhorse designed for maximum stability and ease of operation for the youngest artists. Equipped with a 2.4-inch LCD screen and Weedo slicing software, this 3D printer supports offline printing via micro-SD card, making operation simple and convenient. The printer also features a resume printing function, allowing it to continue seamlessly after unexpected power outages or accidental interruptions. No need to restart your project from scratch. This small 3D printer eliminates manual bed leveling thanks to its intelligent auto-leveling system, which automatically compensates for an uneven build surface. With one-touch leveling and printing, beginners can start printing effortlessly. The flexible, removable magnetic build plate ensures easy and damage-free model removal. Designed as a lightweight, minimalist desktop 3D printer, it's easy to move and set up anywhere. Its compact and portable design makes it ideal for home use, classrooms, offices, and dorm rooms, delivering reliable performance without taking up valuable space. So these are some of the best 3D printers to buy. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe for future updates.